Here we are. Finally got out in the workshop. My pain's been so bad I haven't been able to get up on my feet and do anything. It's about the first day I've been able to get up. So Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you're all doing well. I won't look up. You won't be able to see what I'm doing. These are drawers that I'm making, and these are for the rearrangements of my workshop that I've been doing. I never really had time to sort my workshop out, as I've said before in other videos. So yeah, so I've knocked up a load of drawers. I've built a cabinet for my chop saw, and I've put it on wheels. So that means I've got a chop saw station up at the front end of the workshop, where I can bring material in and I can either pre-cut it before it comes down here, or I can just stay up there and do particular work that hasn't got to come down to here. So what I'm doing at the moment is just putting the drawers together, just gently tapping them and persuading the MDF into the grooves before I put it all together. Put a biscuit on each butt joint. These are just basically butt joints. I could have done something a bit more craftsman-like, if you know what I mean. To the wow factor, could have put a dovetail joint in here and done a connection, but it's for my workshop. Yeah, it ain't got to last much longer, unfortunately. I'm 60 now, so yeah. So it's mainly for my convenience. Get my tools safely secure away. Nice storage for them. So yeah, that's what it's about. Gives me something to do while I'm trying to recover from whatever has got in my body. It's fucking cold down here though, believe me. Got a little fan heater on. But this was never really designed to... It's insulated, all the walls are insulated, the floor's insulated. I never really insulated the roof. I should have insulated the roof. Put a little touch of glue on here so when it's all cramped up it don't get anywhere. Yeah, so designed a little station for my chop saw. I've still got two big construction chop saws I've got, my Makita and my DeWalt one, and they've sat under this bench for God knows how long, because I've never really been back out on site again. So I'd always come down here and think, oh God, I've got to set something up and get it out and move it around, and because this was always set up for construction and knock something up quickly and get out. So I never really got time to set everything up. So hopefully, as the twilight end of my life gives me a bit of time, which it has, through ill health. I organise my little workshop, so I create more space to actually just do joinery work, do what I love doing. So I've pilot all my holes. MDF is not great for accepting screws down the end grain of it. Not too bad in the face, but it is basically compressed sawdust, compressed paper with lots of glue. So yeah, you drive your screws straight into it, and you don't make your pilot hole the right size, and you put screws down like what I'm doing now, it'll split the end grain. It'll still hold, but it don't look great. You split it, so that's why I pilot the holes to the right gauge. Then the screw's doing its job, and that is cutting a hole, cutting a thread for itself. It's not forcing its way in. Right, a little bit squaring up, doesn't it? A little bang here. Just bang it in there. Make sure everything goes in. That's me just checking it for square. Voila, draw. This is going to be one of three. This I'll keep all my tools in up underneath the new chop saw bench I've built for myself. That's it.